Hello everyone, and welcome to another one of our videos. Today I'm going to be showing you how to replace this hood strut on our 2015 Volkswagen Passat. Over the past 3 years of owning the car, it's given out while it still holds the hood up. Whenever you try to close the hood, you have to wipe the shaft down of the strut in order to get the hood to close. Otherwise it won't close even if the shaft is clean. So in order to replace the strut, there's a couple clips you're going to have to remove. I'll show you in close-up shots how to do that. So I'll be right back with that. Alright, so I'm starting here at the top of the strut, the part that connects to the actual hood of the car. In order to remove it, all you need to do is pop this clip out. To do that, you can take a flat blade screwdriver, just pop it in there behind the clip, pry outwards until you've got it released. In this case, I didn't care about damaging the plastic a little bit, nicking it up, because this strut's going in the garbage after we're done with it and installing the new one. So that's why I used a screwdriver instead of something like a plastic pry tool. In order to pop off the strut at this point, all you need to do is pull it off the ball that's on the hood. Now you're going to want to grease the ball whenever you install the new strut, and I recommend using something like silicone paste or any type of other general purpose grease. So what I'm going to do now is repeat the same process down on the bottom portion of the strut. I'm going to take that part off, and then I'm going to show you how to install the new strut. Alright, as you can see, I have the old strut now removed and I have the new one in place. I have the bottom already installed and the top's ready to clip on. So once you've had the old one removed, you want to clean it off using something like IPA, and at that point you can re-grease the ball. Once you've done that, all you need to do is take your new strut and pop it into place. It just presses on, and there you go, it's installed. So it's a super quick, easy job, 5 or 10 minutes, even if you've never done it before. With that, I want to thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.